Okay, so bipolar, yeah. So you've got different types within bipolar. So first off, you've got bipolar type 1, which is where you're experiencing extremes of what we call mania, followed by periods of depression typically. So what we mean by mania is severe enough high mood that is leading to significant problems in your functioning. So this involves occupational functioning. So that's, for example, in terms of the workplace, also in terms of social functioning, which means your social relationships, everything to do with that. And in general, your safety, right? So typically when you're manic, so you got a full blown manic episode, you are needing to be hospitalized because basically it's not really safe for you to be out in the community. So it's a high mood, which means, a lot of energy, huge amount of energy. It's a little bit different to bipolar type 2, where you're experiencing hypomania, which is a lesser form of mania, which is just basically positives mostly of a high mood, but some negatives. You can sort of be a bit too fast. You're sort of thinking a bit too fast, can be slightly too painful. But overall you're functioning quite well. You're able to get a lot done. You might get a lot done in the direction that you didn't entirely want to get done. You might focus on something, go on a bit of a sidetrack, but overall it's quite productive. So the difference between these two levels of highs is what differs bipolar type 1 and bipolar type 2. But both of them experience lows of depression. It's just that for a lot of individuals with bipolar type 2, they actually have worse depression than people with bipolar type 2 typically.